Hello students, good morning. Once again I am with you with the next topic. In previous video we have completed economic activity, non-economic activity. Under the economic activity we have completed three term. First business, second profession and third is employment. We have completed concept of all these term and also characteristics. Today we will discuss about the objectives of business. Today we will discuss objectives of business. So mainly under the business there are two objectives of business. One is economic objective and second is social objective. One is economic objective and second is social objective. When we are going to discuss economic objective, there are mainly three categories related to the economic objective. First is innovation. Second, creation of customer, and third customers, and third profit making. Now come to the social. Under the social, first providing employment to society. Second, good quality product at fair price. Next, safe environment from pollution. And next is fair return to investors. You can see in here there are mainly two objectives which are related to the business. One is economic objective and second is social objective. When we are going to discuss economic objective mainly three. First is innovation, second creation of customer, and third is profit making. Now we are going to discuss what is innovation. Innovation means doing something new, कुछ नया करना. It means in the business area, if any businessman, suppose in any market there are four businessmen, A, B, C, D. Mr. A, B, C and D, all businessmen doing same nature of product. चारों बिजनेसमैन एक ही प्रोडक्ट का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. बट मिस्टर ए, their way of working, their presentation, their quality of product, their presentation, their way of talking, it's a totally different, totally unique, totally innovative compared to other. Sometime same quality of product, all the businessmen, but A is talking with the customer innovating way, presenting the information about their product in an innovative way, so their way of innovation attract the customer. उसका जो कार्य करने का तरीका है, बताने का तरीका है, प्रोडक्ट को दिखाने का तरीका है, it's a totally different from other, and because of their presentation the customer are अट्रैक्टिंग, ग्राहक आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। सो देयर आर टू कॉन्सेप्ट, वन इज वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन। इफ द वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन इज गुड, सपोज यू आर गोइंग इन द मार्केट एंड सम टाइम वी कैन ऑब्जर्व इन आवर पर्सनल लाइफ, कभी कभी हम बाजार जाते हैं, अपने निजी जिंदगी में अनुभव कर सकते हैं, वी आर नॉट गोइंग इन द मार्केट टू परचेज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, वी हैव prepared a list and according the list we are going to purchase the product, but because of the presentation of any shopkeeper we are ready to take the product, such type of product which have not immediately we have required, तुरंत हमें उसकी जरूरत नहीं है लेकिन बताने के हिसाब से हम तुरंत अट्रैक्ट होते हैं और उसको खरीदने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं। सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द इनोवेशन, डूइंग समथिंग न्यू, कुछ नया करना। एंड because of innovation, now we are going to come next topic, creation of customer. It's a totally related to innovation. If we are doing something new day by day, अगर हम कुछ नया कर रहे हैं, so what will happen? Certainly the customer will attract, and when the customer will attract, consumer will attract, certainly they will ready to purchase our product immediately, and because of their attraction, certainly we will in position to creation of customer. Day by day we can increase the number of customer for our product, हम ग्राहकों की संख्या दिन पर दिन बढ़ा सकते हैं। Next, and because of the creation of customer, if they will attract towards our product because of innovation, it means creation of customer is possible. When there is a creation of customer, certainly we will earn, we will means a businessman can earn maximum profit day by day. I am saying here maximum, but there is two terms, one is sufficient profit and second is maximum profit. Sufficient profit means it's a related to fair profit whatever available in the market, उचित लाभ कमाना, sufficient profit, but maximum word related to profiteering, we are not going to earn maximum profit, we will earn sufficient profit. अधिकतम लाभ कमाना, इसका मतलब sometime its step go towards profiteering. अगर हम अधिकतम लाभ कमाने की बात करेंगे तो ये प्रॉफिटरिंग की तरफ जाएगा, मुनाफाखोरी की तरफ जाएगा। So as a successful businessman we will adopt always sufficient profit on the place of maximum profit, because we want to survive our business for long time. हमें अपने व्यवसाय को बाजार में लंबे समय तक चलाना। We want to survive our business in the market as long time, so we will adopt always sufficient profit in the place of the maximum profit. So economic objective, there are three: innovation, creation of customers, and third is profit making. Now come to the social objective. As a businessman in class 11 business study, we will learn what are the social responsibility of business. एक व्यवसाय की क्या सामाजिक दायित्व होते हैं। So social objective related to that social responsibility. Now come to the first is providing employment to the society. Providing employment to the society. When we are going to establish any business at any place, without human power, without human resource, this is not possible. यदि कहीं पर किसी समय हम कोई व्यवसाय स्थापित करना चाहते हैं, so that business establishment is possible with the help of the human resource. Human resource in the sense employee, human resource in the sense of candidate. यदि व्यक्ति की सहायता हम ना लें तो हमारे किसी भी स्थान पर व्यवसाय की स्थापना हम नहीं कर सकते। So it's also objective of business to provide the employment to the society. There are two ways, one related to business and second related to the society. Business, they will help to the business, and society they will get the employment. यहाँ पर व्यवसाय में अगर व्यक्ति की मदद लेंगे तो व्यवसाय का काम आगे बढ़ेगा और सोसाइटी के लोग वहां पर रोजगार मिलेंगे। Certainly we can maintain their standard of living, अपडेट अपग्रो कर सकते हैं, उसको हम इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। सो सेकेंड, गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स एट फेयर प्राइस. दिस इज आल्सो सेकेंड सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव, गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट at fair price. When we are going to discuss social objective of business, it's very important objective related any type of businessman. If businessman want to success in the competitive market, I am saying here competitive market. Today market is not normal market. Today market related to competition. So if we want to survive our business for a long time, it's very important to provide good quality. Good quality means which is appropriate with the for the customer and which is very important for the customer. Customer good quality and appropriate quality in the sense because of such type of quality the customer will satisfy. Suppose as a businessman we are saying the quality is good, but if the customer is not satisfied, it means our product quality is not appropriate. So always we will provide good quality at where the customer are satisfied. Now come to the second, at fair price. Sometimes our quality is good but we are going to earn maximum profit, so they will not ready to purchase our product. When we are going to earn sufficient profit, it means we are charging fair price. अगर हम उचित लाभ ले रहे हैं इसका मतलब और प्राइस इज आल्सो फेयर प्राइस, हमारा जो मूल्य है वो क्या है, फेयर प्राइस है. सो दिस इज द second social objective related to the businessman, related to the business, that as a businessman we will provide good quality, appropriate quality to the customer and at a fair price. That's why they will satisfied and they will ready to purchase our product again and again from our shop. Next, save environment from pollution. Save environment from pollution. Sometimes suppose we are industry owner, we are factory owner, we are owner of large business, so we are not showing the cleanness, we are not seeing the environmental elements, we are not going to save the environment. It means we are throwing our garbage open place, we are going to different type disturbance element which are polluted to the environment. We are not fixing at a particular place for storing garbage, for storing different harmonious element which are outside from our factory. तो ऐसे जो भी गार्बेज या जो भी ऐसे लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट निकलते हैं हमारे फैक्ट्री से, हमारे बिजनेस से, उसको हम ऐसे ओपन एरिया में विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग कहीं पर भी फेंक दे रहे हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. ऑब्जेक्टिव यहाँ पर क्या है, सेव इन्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम पोल्यूशन. विच टाइप पोल्यूशन, बिजनेस पोल्यूशन. यानी अगर हमारा वातावरण हमारे व्यवसाय से प्रदूषित हो रहा है, सो हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, एज अ बिजनेसमैन वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो एज अ बिजनेसमैन वी बी अलर्ट, we will save our environment by storing our garbage, by storing our liquid product at a particular place by inside, and because of that action we will save our environment. And if environment is neat and clean, certainly their local area public health also will be fit and fine. Next, fair return to investors. As a businessman, it's not important that we have enough quantity of capital. As a businessman, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जो व्यक्ति व्यवसाय करने चल रहा है उसके पास पर्याप्त मात्रा में पैसा हो. So, as a good businessman, always we are going to take support from outsider. हम एक व्यवसायी होने के नाते बाहरी व्यक्तियों से क्या करते हैं, मदद लेते हैं. So, who is outsider and who is going to invest capital in our business? They want return एज अ प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम आवर बिजनेस. जो पैसा लगाए हमारे व्यवसाय में वो हमसे क्या लेना चाहते हैं, प्रॉफिट लेना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस, दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेसमैन टू प्रोवाइड फेयर रिटर्न टू इन्वेस्टर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज वी हैव टेकन ₹1 lakh फ्रॉम मिस्टर बी एंड ऑन दिस ₹1 lakh वी हैव अर्नड ₹1000 पर मंथ. हमने 1 लाख पर 1000 रुपया कमाया एंड अकॉर्डिंग द एग्रीमेंट 80% हमें उनको देना है. सो व्हाट इज अमाउंट फॉर मिस्टर बी, 800. हमें मिस्टर बी को कितना देना है, 800. बट इफ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ओनली 500, इट मीन्स we are not going to fair return to the Mr. B, Mr. B means investor. हमें 800 देना है, but we have allotting them only rupees 500. It means we are not doing fair work with investor with Mr. B. So it